Okay, so this is the final piece. Let's join this piece into the puzzle and we will be done. This took us 3 days to fix this.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see what did I miss Ex-strippers
So I am done fixing the cot, which is from Alba Mini Cot, and it's a Tutu Bambini product. My wife is really obsessed with their product and she really loves them, so we had to go all out to purchase everything from them. So the cot, the mattress protector, and everything, even her bed sheets and some other stuffs are from Tutu Bambini. So I will enlighten you guys later on. For now, she'll be sleeping here with us until she is a year older. Then she can move into her separate room. Yeah, voila. So we are done with a cot bed. So the next one will be a chest drawer. We're doing this work today. Building the chest drawer for my daughter. Day 3, and we need to sort this out. So far I've completed 3 of the drawers, so I've still got 3 more to go, so I can fit them into this ones. So previously, I think yesterday, I fixed the rails on top of the drawers, and I think it's a mistake, so I have to take them down and put them at the bottom below so they can roll in into the main body. Turn it over and then we go again. Got one there. One. It's all about being able to do DIY stuff. So you can go to anybody or anyone, or to be precise, a carpentry shop, for them to get this done for you. You have to do it yourself. So I'm doing it, and for love I have for my unborn child, I have to do it. So we can keep a whole lot of stuff in here. The thing I'm stupid, I'm not come to play. Shall make me, shut up while they need baby. Then I'm on and just like give them headache. I know one. So at this moment we need to put them in the main body to see how it works. So let's do this. So at this moment I am done with fixing and bolting and knotting whatever I need to do. So we need to try our hands on what we've done so far for the past days. So I will try and fit some of the drawers in to see if it fits properly or not. So let's do this. Oh, perfect. Okay, so this is the final piece. Let's join this piece into the puzzle and we will be done. Oh. This took us 3 days to fix this. But I'm happy everything came together so nicely, and I know we have done a great job. Myself together with my wife, she's behind the camera, so big shouts to her. Sorry for the sun. So I think we are done. We will start packing the baby's clothes probably tonight. So my missus started folding and arranging stuff for the baby. I mean, organizing everything perfectly. So it was a really happy feeling to see all this come to reality. So she was still on it. Later she got tired and I had to just jump in and finish with the rest. So I think I was getting perfect with my folding skills, and yo, feel like a pro. Charlie, give it up to me, give it up to me. they just delivered the baby stroller and also the car seat and base. So I am really excited. It came in today. I purchased it 2 days ago, and voila, DPD just did me very good. They just delivered it. So we've got some unboxing to do, fixing them together to do, and also fixing it in the car so that I have no dramas when the due date is here. So just get it locked up and we will do this together as a team. So today is an unboxing day for my daughter's stroller. This got a school bag or a backpack to pack some breast milk, some nappies, diapers, and a whole lot. This is the main body. Oh, ooh, it's huge. Looks big. My daughter is definitely a big girl, so she needs to enjoy this. So see how thick the wheels are. They are very thick and can be driven or can be pushed through any terrain. So this is one main reason we went for this. Kabuba. The best. This is the front tires and max 22 kg. What's this? Something you put. So this is the carry cot, the stroller, and these are the wheels for the whole system. So in all, it becomes a 3-in-1 travel system. Hey, this is the end of today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, put some comments under the comment section, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.